Let's go over a standing calf raise. The calves are the muscle right here on the back of your lower leg. They're important for balance, so is the muscle on the front of your leg. So I'm going to show you the calf raise, but I also want you to be aware of the toe raise. And both of those are really good exercises if you're struggling with balance. So if we're struggling with balance, a regular heel raise looks like this. Up and down from the side. We're going up and down. Not a lot of things you can do wrong with a heel raise. Don't lock your knees, engage your core, but you can hold on to a kitchen sink for support. Anything, one arm, two arm, if you need that assistance for balance is fine. For the toe raise, it's exactly the same thing. You're just rocking back a little bit on your heels, but it's not so much a rocking from the hips. You're coming up, you're just pressing down into your heels because you're pulling up. This is your anterior tibialis muscle, the one right on front of the tibia bone in your lower leg. So the toes come up because you're activating that muscle right on the front of your lower leg, not because you're going from the hips like this. So again, heel raises, toe raises, great for balance. Let's talk about how we can add some resistance to make it harder. First would be dumbbells. Easy. Hold the dumbbells here, going up and down, up and down. If you wanted to do a heel raise, or I keep getting them mixed up, a toe raise, just go like that. I'll show you from the side. So heel raise, toe raise. The next modification would be with a long band. A short band won't work for this one. And you can pick your resistance intensity, wrap it around your hands and step on it, feet about shoulder width apart. You may need to kind of squat down and tighten up that band around your hands to get any resistance really from it. And then you're gonna be sure that it's under just the front part of your foot. Otherwise it'll pop up on you. Okay, you're gonna go up and down. That one burns more than you think it might. Just like that. I'll show you from the side with the band. Up and down. If you wanted to do a heel raise, a toe raise, I'm not sure that adding the band, it doesn't really do anything there. So if you're going to do the toe raises, I would stick to the dumbbells or the bar that I'm going to show you next. So here's my squat bar. I'm going to get it unloaded, unwrapped. All right, and we're just going up and down. You could do a toe raise there as well if you want. Just be sure that you're not going to be losing your balance. I'll show you the side view. Keep the core in tight. Be sure that those feet are they're even, so one's not in front of the other or behind the other. Here's the heel raise. Here's the toe raise. All right. Let's re-rack that. If you have any questions on heel or toe raises, please let me know.